Hello, I'm Brigitte from Brigitte Flowers. It's summer and the holiday started, so that's why I decided to make a fun centerpiece with cocktail glasses. Something that you can make really easy yourself next time you're hosting. So let's get our glasses ready. To make this arrangement we need a couple of things. So the first thing that we need is a nice serving tray and a nice mix of cocktail glasses. So it's always interesting to see a few different heights and different shapes. Then we need some flowers, so you can do any color that you like or anything that you might have in your garden or that you have left over from your flower vase. We need some tools. We need our floral snipper and we need our knife. We can use some fruits as well to decorate with the flowers. And then I would like to make also kind of a mojito cocktail. If you use fresh ice, of course, the centerpiece doesn't look good anymore after 10 minutes. So that's why I decided to use these water pearls. You can also use fake ice or like the jelly bits. That's something that you can buy from eBay or Amazon. It needs a couple of hours to soak and it's really small jelly bits. You fill it with water in a glass and it just expands and then it has the same look as if you're using ice for this. I start with the champagne glass. Because the champagne glass is so elegant and narrow, I think it's nice to use only one flower and I'm going to use it inside. I'm going to start with some grasses and I have here some bear grass and it's a very flexible type of grass that you can buy from your florist or from your flower market and you can make really fun loops with it. It's really fun to decorate with. So I'm going to place a few of these grasses here inside the glass. And I spread them out slightly. Then I put a tiny bit of water in, just enough for the flower to drink. And then you can put one flower in it. So that can be a rose or anything what would fit inside the vase and is interesting to see. So I have here a really nice stem of sweet pea. And I'm going to place just under the loop. So I'm going to make it very short. Push the grasses slightly aside. And then you see it has the same elegance as if you would use an orchid, for example. Okay, so this is our first glass ready. And then I'm going to place all these glasses on a serving tray. And I use some colored flower petals as well to give a bit more color in it. Everybody likes shot glasses. That's why I decided to use 2 shot glasses as well in the arrangement. And not only because they're so cute, they have a great high-low effect in the arrangement. So I'm going to use a little bit of water, enough for the flowers to drink. And I'm going to place them as a group together. And then I have here some great saffron flowers that I'm going to place just on the edge of the glass. And the saffron flowers, they have this really vibrant color combination. So that looks really good for a tropical party. For the next arrangement, we need a highbowl glass. And I think for this it's really nice to make an arrangement that would kind of sit on top of the little glass. So I'm going to fill it up with water. I would say halfway is good. And then I'm going to make a little bouquet. And I'm going to make the bouquet tight and compact so it sits exactly on the glass. So for that I have here already some nice flowers ready. I have here a really nice vibrant pink open rose. I have here some lysianthus as well. And the lysianthus, they come in different varieties. So the one that I have over here today is a double petaled one. And you see it, when you use it, it's very similar to a rose. And it's always nice as well to use the closed flowers from the lysianthus and the little buds as well, to make it a bit more natural. And you see it gives already a great round effect. Then I'm going to tie the posy with some twine or some string. I'm going to tie it all the way to the bottom and then I'm going to circle again up. So it gives it like a neat stem. Then I make a double knot, like this. And then I'm going to place it in the glass. And of course it's just any flower that you fancy yourself you can put in the vase. In the glass, sorry. And you see we have here another cute arrangement ready. And then I'm going to place it here behind the shot glasses. And then up to the next one. My water pearls are ready, so I can make now my mojito style cocktail. So I'm just gonna pour them here over in the wine glass, as I'm gonna put some hydrangea petals between the water pearls. So for that I have here some really nice colors, and I'm gonna use here this lovely dark purple one, as that would work really nice, you see, with all our other flowers. And I'm just gonna cut them very short behind the flower stem. I'm gonna put like 4 in it, and I'm gonna put again some of my water pearls. You see, it gives a really interesting effect already. I'm gonna take another few. And again, you can make this of course with any color and any flower that you like. And the water pearls, they do need about 12 hours to be fully soaked and to have the full volume. So just start the day before with soaking those ones. Okay. And then I think it's also cute to have a little bit more cocktail effect. So I have here these limes, and I'm gonna slice a little wedge off, and I'm gonna place on the edge of the glass. So just gonna make it halfway. A little slice up there. And we have another nice cocktail ready. So I'm gonna place it here, again on the front of the glass. For the wine glass, I thought it was fun to use maybe some blackberries combined with some rose petals. Because blackberries, they give a very nice dramatic effect. And of course, if you like raspberries better or strawberries, anything would be good. So we're gonna put some rose petals in, and then we're gonna swap them with a few blackberries, a few more rose petals, again some blackberries, and also I think it's nice to have some little flowers from the stalk. And again some blackberries because they're quite heavy and they keep all the flowers down. A few more petals to give some nice color. And we're gonna top it up with another nice stock flower, see? And then I'm gonna pour in some water, because the water always gives the flowers a bit stronger effect when they're inside a vase or inside the glass in this case. So you see, it's again a very interesting cocktail. I'm gonna place it here on the tray. And then for the last one we have a Martini glass, and as the Martini glass has already a really nice shape, I thought to keep it interesting but very simple, and I'm just going to put some water in and I'm going to float one flower. And I found some really nice passion flowers, and the passion flower gives it of course a very nice and tropical effect. You can see here, of course, who doesn't know, this is the flower from the passion fruit. And I think it all works very good in our cocktail theme. And then of course sprinkle your rose petals nicely, and we have our centerpiece ready. As you see, a fun centerpiece and also a fun activity to do. So just make sure that your guests won't drink these cocktails, but give them some real and some tasty ones. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to press the bell next to the subscribe button to get updates for my channel. See you next time.